Click on the link below to get price. The Ceiling Dehumidifier 160L/D is an exceptional solution for managing humidity levels in large commercial spaces, such as basements, warehouses, and greenhouses. With a robust capacity of 160 liters per day, this unit is designed to efficiently eliminate excess moisture, creating an optimal environment for various applications. One of the standout features is its powerful 2 HP motor, which delivers impressive dehumidification performance while maintaining energy efficiency. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its ceiling-mounted design, allowing for seamless integration into any commercial setting. The unit is engineered with durable materials, ensuring its longevity even in demanding environments. The compact design saves floor space, making it an ideal choice for areas where maximizing usable space is crucial. One of the major advantages of the Ceiling Dehumidifier is its adjustable humidity settings, enabling users to tailor the moisture levels to their specific needs. This is particularly beneficial in greenhouses, where maintaining the right humidity is critical for plant health. Furthermore, the built-in hygrometer provides real-time feedback on humidity levels, allowing for proactive adjustments. The noise level is surprisingly low for a unit of this capacity, making it suitable for environments where silence is valued, such as offices or research facilities. Additionally, the automatic shut-off feature prevents overflow, providing peace of mind when leaving the unit unattended. The energy consumption is commendable, as it operates efficiently without sacrificing performance. Users can expect a noticeable reduction in humidity levels shortly after installation, resulting in improved air quality and reduced risks of mold and mildew. Overall, the Ceiling Dehumidifier 160L/D is a reliable and effective solution for humidity control in commercial settings. Its combination of power, efficiency, and user-friendly features makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their environment. Whether for planting, storage, or general air quality improvement, this dehumidifier delivers on its promises and exceeds expectations.